Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Ah, shit. Today we're buying a new car in Arizona. I think I've slept about 2 hours in the last 48, and I just got another 15 minutes of sleep, so we're dialed. 30 minutes of sleep. We're good to go. All right, we have about a 1 minute drive to this guy's house.
Are you serious?
He lives over there, and we're sleeping outside of his house. And then hopefully this thing turns out good, because Bobby, we drove 20 hours.
That's okay.
For this thing.
We still like Vegas.
And it's also an experience, you know? Now we know what it's like to sleep in the back of a truck. Okay, let's go check out this car. Sometimes people mind when we film. Hopefully this homie doesn't mind us filming. So, here she is, huh? Yeah. That's the car.
Oh, she's a sad, dusty girl.
How long has it been sitting for?
A pretty while. It's like at least 6 months already.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you drive it much after it started making noise?
No, I didn't drive at all after it hit the roadblocks. After the dealership, and they said they're gonna send me the schedule to swap the engine or make a engine, fix the engine, rebuild it, but they never did. And I'm still waiting. I just put it online, see when anybody want to buy it. So they want to buy it, I sell it. Perfect.
I love the hood.
I'm here, so.
If you don't mind, I'll move the car.
Okay.
I'll move the car first.
Okay. I know you guys are thinking, wow, Devin, you bought a Subaru. And we didn't come to Arizona just for a Subaru. We came for the experience, and the Subaru was already here. So I've never been to Phoenix or Arizona. Bobby has. And the car just happened to be here. So I'm buying the damn thing. Hope we get it started, because I ain't got a winch. Also, I keep modding out Bobby's STI. It's time I get my own VA STI to mod out for myself. Plus, we just sold sus. We had to get something else, my friends. Is that a good enough excuse?
Not really.
All this I installed it like under 1,000 miles.
Oh, wow.
I just purchased it and then I went really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Very pretty.
Titanium, you want it for your car?
I do.
Yeah. So it been sitting there. So, and I was gonna change the oil afterward, but didn't get to like that. I still have the oil. So I can take them too.
Jeez, that sucks. How many miles did you put on the car?
I bought it when it's like 30 something, and then I put on like a 10K. That's it.
Wow.
Yeah. Like I've been out of town to Tucson because I didn't want to drive it because the place I stay there is like pretty crappy, so I didn't want to lift the car outside.
Yeah, it looks pretty decent overall. Do you have the stock hood?
Huh? Yes, I do. It's still there. Perfect. Yeah. Like I keep every single part that I switch. So like, if you know how to fix it, it's definitely a good deal for you. You know?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I rebuild these motors all the time.
Oh yeah. So this is like I say that on the messenger too to people. It's like, hey, this is a good deal for mechanic, you know, because I still keep the stock and you bought it and you can see even the part you want to sell it, you can sell it.
Yeah. You mind if I push it outside?
Oh, absolutely, that's fine.
What year is this?
16.
16. Okay.
Sheesh, it is dusty.
It is.
And that's just the underlight. So there's undergrowing light.
Oh
so
yeah,
you can get to go.
Yeah.
Look like Gary.
I'm buying the car. She is rod knocked. It's a 16 STI with about 35,000 miles on it, maybe 40K. And we're gonna go and fire it up and load up on the trailer. So let's see how loud this knock is. She's probably gonna sound like your car. I'm curious to see how loud it is. The knock.
Yeah.
Pretty bad.
Pretty bad. Yeah, because I went up to 170 for like almost 10 miles.
Oh yeah, wow. 170 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Oh geez. And then it knocked after that?
Yep.
Oh yeah, that'll do it.
You gotta wait. Ready? Oh, she's dead.
Yeah, it's been sitting there for a while.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let it charge up for a second.
We might need to go buy a new battery really quick.
We might go after it sits a little bit. If it doesn't, I'll just go buy a new battery.
Yeah, I think we should start with...
Come on, baby.
I should have brought my jump pack.
Shoulda.
I mean, if you want to, I think we can help you push it if you don't want to buy the battery. You know?
Oh, a little bit more, but
Maybe charge like 10 minutes, see what happens.
looks like we're gonna be pushing.
Yeah, let's try to push it up.
Alright, no problem.
Alright. Look at that. We did it.
Was nerve-wracking? Is this a good spot for it? Or do you... Okay.
Wow, I'm surprised you actually got it.
Well, there's my workout for the day.
Yeah.
I didn't even do anything.
I'm gonna chip for one too.
Yeah.
I skipped you for like a year already.
I'm not sure if the battery's so dead it won't start or if it's partially seized, but it wouldn't really turn over. So we ended up just pushing it into the trailer. We decided to grab a hotel in Phoenix for the night, and we are also having a meetup in Phoenix tonight. Here's our hotel, waiting on Bobby over here to get ready. She's very, very hungry right now and probably tired.
Mostly tired.
We got a nice two bed room. I sleep on that bed. Bobby's gonna sleep on this bed. We're not married, so we don't sleep together, huh, Bob?
True. Why? Why isn't this closing?
You have to unlock it. Pretty shitty weather to have a meet, but it is the only day we're here. There's a dust warning, there's a flash flood warning. There's all sorts of warnings right now. Pull up to the meet about an hour and a half ago. I've been just bullshitting the whole time. And my homie out here convinced me to pull out the camera. What's up, G?
How's it going? Richard Aguilar, nice to meet you. How's everybody doing? Devin?
Hey.
Best content.
Thank you, brother.
Everybody's good, but this is the GOAT right here.
Damn.
Want to fucking build a Subaru? You can edit that out. You want to build a Subaru? You gotta follow him, watch him. STIs, Evos, all coming to you. Every state, country, we're gonna Evo the world.
Dude, that is one hell of a shout out, bro. I appreciate
I got you,
it.
buddy.
Hell yeah. We got this very beautiful STI built here. Start it?
Yeah.
Oh shit. So this is a pretty similar setup to Bobby's car, yeah?
Yeah.
The 6870?
Yeah. 6870, baby.
You actually just want to go fast. I'm like Bobby, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's loud, bro. God damn. Bro, that is loud.
Straight line, baby.
Holy shit. Oh, you're shooting for 1,000?
Yeah. Yep. 1,000 plus, baby.
That's good.
In Arizona.
You'll hit it.
Hopefully.
Easy.
Where do you want it at? Next to, like, just right next to Devin's?
Yeah, put the date. Yeah, put the date. It's a monumental moment for
Oh
him.
my god, I can't see.
He just devalued his vehicle. He's got to document it.
I didn't film much, but damn, Arizona's sick. Car scene was sick. Thank you guys for coming out. I met a lot of people tonight, and it was very, what's the right word I'm looking for? It's nice meeting people in real life instead of just like Instagram DMs. I was thinking earlier, do you remember that one time I threw a meet in Seattle and nobody showed up? I was thinking about that on the way here.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't remember that at all.
And now like all these homies show up and it's so sick.
I am, honestly, I thought we were gonna pull up and we were gonna see like a couple people. I was blown away by how many people were out here.
Fun.
And like how nice everybody is.
Yeah. Check this out. It's the next day. I was on Marketplace like I always am, and I found another deal. I like deals. We picked up a stock. I can't really show it to you, it's in the bin, but I'll try it. I'll try to show it to you boys. There we go, look at that. Another blown 4B11. Now it is just a short block. It had a rod knock failure, but we got a good block, we got a good crank out of it, and it's only 400 bucks. Bobby and I are stopping at Dutch Bros real quick, grabbing some coffee, and we are gonna hit the road all the way back to Spokane. I think we're gonna stop in Vegas for a little meet, and then, yeah, all the way back to Spokane. 19-hour drive. Truck is very dirty. I was gonna wash it, but we have to go back through the desert, which is dust and rain and wind all at the same time, so I'll wash her in Vegas. Ah.
Way more biting.
That thing is quite nice.
It's bitchin'.
That thing is bitchin'. Welcome to the middle of Arizona, where Devin Niemela has never touched a cactus in his life. We are currently chilling on the side of the highway, and I'm gonna go touch a cactus. There's a good one right down here. I found the one. Yeah, I found the one.
Watch out for rattlesnakes, honey.
There's rattlesnakes? Oh shit. Yeah, come on down. Hopefully my truck and trailer don't get hit. Bobby says there's rattlesnakes on here. Do rattlesnakes bite? Ah, I hear one.
Are you going?
Bobby, I hear something. Fuck this. I am not getting bit by that bitch. Ah, fuck that. I heard one. We're gonna have to go to a different location because I just heard a rattlesnake and I ain't trying to get bit today. Fuck all that. All right, you wanna give me a little push?
Lip is a little bunk.
What?
The lip's a little bunk. Pop the hood on this bitch.